How to fix Gcash device is not secure. So let's get started. Firstly, open the settings app on your phone by tapping on the gear icon located at the top right corner of the swipe down menu. Once you tap on it, then scroll down to the About iPhone and then select Software Information. After that, look for the builder number and then tap this 7 times in a row. It will then ask for a PIN, enter it and proceed. Developers mode will be enabled. Now you can exit back to the home screen and it's time to disable developers mode. Open up the settings app once again and scroll down to the developers option located at the very bottom of the screen. Then tap the on switch to toggle it off. So that is it. You can now open the Gcash app without the error. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.